first mod that I'll be doing is replacing these bulbs for license plate. And I chose the HP3 because HP5s, they were also a choice. Those are too bright, and I don't want, I just don't want it too bright. I wanted something in the middle. All right, so to replace this, I think I have to take off clips over here. And these bad boys, where are they? Here. I'm gonna try to just take off a few of these, and it should be plug and play. All right, so I took out all these clips at the top here, and I think I have to pull this down, so let's see. All right, so now this is down. It seems like I think I have to turn these two, that one and this as well. Okay, so now that this is visible and easy to reach, I just have to unclip this. It cuts out the power from that bulb. Turn it, and I'm gonna replace this little yellow bulb that's pretty dull with one of these. Now that it's in there, twist it to lock it, reconnect, and it should work. And this is what the stock bulb looks like, just regular non-LED. Here you see a difference during the day. Okay, so I waited a few hours just for a little bit darker scenario, so you can guys see with me what the difference is. I only replaced one just to show you, but I didn't want something that is really bright. Actually, on the ground you can see that's more than enough. I know on camera you can't see the shade difference, but there is a shade difference, and this is much fuller here, and it's just a better color, but it's not like overly bright. I love it. I'll show you from the side. Yeah, that is a much better color. It just looks more modern. All right, so I installed both bulbs now. And wow, it looks so much better. It's really not too bright. It's just slightly brighter. Not slightly, it's actually a decent amount brighter than the stock, and it's white color. Looks much better in person. I love it. Now this STI looks more modern. My first mod, and it really changes the way the car looks. I think it's fantastic.